I know. We talked about keys, batteries, and alternators, and you'll be like, girl, can we start the engine already? Well, the wait is over. Welcome back to the series of Girls Playing 101, and today we're going to meet the muzzle of your car. Meet the starter motor. If the battery is the energy, this guy is a heavy lifter. The starter is the gym rat of the engine bay. He does one high intensity rep to get things spinning. Technically, it's a high torque DC motor. When you start the key, a solenoid, which is his tiny assistant, kicks a small gear into the engine's massive flywheel. It gulps a massive amount of current to spin the engine at 200 rpm until it can finally breathe on its own. It's a high stakes handshake that can happen in a second. But even with all this muzzle, we still need a spark to keep the fire going. And tomorrow, we're going to play with more than 20,000 volts of electricity. And we are meeting the ignition coils. It's about to get shocking, so see ya.